Good morning, students. Welcome to the first session of General Knowledge. You may think, why should we learn general knowledge? Student, general knowledge is also very important like other subjects. General knowledge is something that really helps us to grow both on personal as well as academic level. It helps to improve academic grades. It also helps to improve skills like self confidence, problem solving, interviewing, and many more. So keep learning, enhance your knowledge. It helps you to develop your personality. Now we are going to start first lesson, literature. Literature means collection of written work. In ancient India, literature originated from stories that were originally orally transmitted. Mahabharata, Ramayana, Ramcharitmanas are good examples of literature. Students, here you can see some words: splash, pop, whisper, clap, oink. These are sound words made by objects. These words are called onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is a poetic structure of words to convey how something sounds. Students, you can check more examples of onomatopoeic words at onomatopoeia word list for kids. Now let's solve the questions given in the textbook. Be ready with a book and a pen. With the help of the clues given in the box, write the distinctive sounds for each of the following. The words given in the help box are rustling, howling, pattering, hissing, gurgling. Rustling describes soft sound. Howling describes a prolonged high-pitched sound. Pattering describes a repeated light tapping sound. Hissing make a sharp sibilant sound as of the letter S. Gurgling means hollow bubbling sound. Let's start the questions. First question is, I can hear the dash wind. Here, which word describes the sound of wind? Howling. Correct. I can hear the howling wind. Second question is, I can hear the dash rain. Which word describes the sound of rain? Pattering. I can hear the pattering rain. Third question is, I can hear the dash of the river. Here, which word describes the sound of river? Gurgling. I can hear the gurgling of the river. Fourth question is, I can hear the dash of steam. Which word describes the sound of steam? Hissing. I can hear the hissing of steam. Fifth question is, I can hear the dash of silk. Which word describes the sound of silk? Rustling. I can hear the rustling of silk. I hope you have copied the answers. Do you know, students, acoustics is the branch of physics concerned with the study of sound, mechanical waves in gases, liquids, and solids. A scientist who works in the field of acoustics is an acoustician. The main application of acoustics is in the noise reduction and in the field of ultrasound, such as sonar. Students, we have completed first lesson. Now we are going to start second lesson. Students, you like sports. Many students of our school are very good in sports. They have achieved so many medals and trophies. Students, Do you know the name of this trophy? Correct. It is FIFA World Cup trophy. It is a gold trophy awarded to the winners of FIFA World Cup. This is Jules Rimet Trophy. Jules Rimet Trophy has been used from 1930 to 1970, FIFA World Cup Trophy from 1974 to present day. Let's solve the questions of second lesson World Cup Football. Here are questions on facts and figures about World Cup Football. Can you answer them? First question is, who were the host for the first World Cup football match held in 1930? Answer is Uruguay. Winners of gold medals of the 1924 Paris and 1928 Amsterdam Olympic were hosts for the first World Cup. Second question is, who was the first person to score a goal in the history of World Cup football match? Answer is Lucien Laurent. He was a French Association footballer who played as a forward. Third question is, what was the World Cup FIFA originally called? Answer is Victory, generally known as World Cup. Fourth question is, which are the first two teams that qualify automatically for the World Cup football? Answer is France and Italy. In 1938 FIFA World Cup, for the first time, France as the host and Italy as the defending champions qualified automatically. Fifth question is, who were the first winners of the FIFA World Cup? Answer is Uruguay. In the first World Cup final, held on 30th July 1930, Uruguay defeated Argentina 4-2 in a rematch of the 1928 Olympic gold medal game. Next question is, who scored the highest number of goals in single World Cup? Answer is Miroslav Klose. The iconic striker scored total 16 goals across 4 World Cup. Seventh question is, which was the first African team to qualify for a World Cup football final? Answer is Egypt. Egypt have qualified for the FIFA World Cup finals on 3 occasions in 1934, 1990 and 2018. Students, I hope you have copied the answers. Do you know, students, Brazil won the World Cup for the fifth time, beating Germany in Yokohama. Brazil won the World Cup on 4 different continents. Once in Europe in 1958, once in South America in 1962, twice in North America in 1970 and in 1994, once in Asia in 2002. Students, in this session, we have completed 2 lessons. First, literature and second, World Cup football. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, you have to identify the famous player with the help of given clues. First clue is, he is a football player. Second clue is, he plays for football club Barcelona. Third clue is, he has scored 700 goals. Any guess? Yes. Can you identify who is he? Yes, correct. Lionel Messi. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this session. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care, be safe.